So students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss some advertisement rules which are given to us by DRAP, that is Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. So first coming towards truthfulness. So your advertisement regarding your medical devices or your drugs must be in such a way that they must truly state the nature, quality and properties of your products. They must not mislead the practitioners or the customers or the patients. There must not be unrealistic expectations regarding your products, regarding the safety, quality or properties of your products or the services. The claims which you are claiming regarding your product must be supported by the facts. Thirdly, there must be no comparative complaints. You must not compare your product with the product of other pharmaceutical company. You can't say that my product works better than that product X, Y, or Z or other pharmaceutical product. You can't mention the name of other pharmaceutical industries for comparing your product with them. So you can't degrade other industries or products of the other industries. The language which you are using in promoting or advertising your products or the medicines must be simple to understand by the physicians and the patients. So any scientific terminology which you are using in the ads must be simple and readily understood by the targeted audience, that is by the patients and the physicians as well. So the use of scientific data. You must use scientific data to prove your product. That data must not mislead the practitioners or the doctors. Never ever try to misuse the data. Use authentic data. There must be no unnecessary quotations. So your data that is available to the patients is always the best data. So data that the general public can verify or validate is the data that you can use. So your data must be available in the public. Your facts must be available to the physicians. So you must not claim that my product is best. You can't guarantee your product. You can't claim that this is giving you the 100% or the magical results. So this all is unethical and not allowed. So you can't recommend your product or the medicine with the help of the physicians. Your doctor can't recommend the product in the ads. So this is also unethical. Now the last thing is that you in your ad you can't say that our product is supported by the government. This is also unethical and prohibited. Now what about the medical reps? Definitely the medical reps are promoting your products or pharmaceutical products, so you must give appropriate knowledge to the medical reps. You must train them about the ethical guidelines which are provided to us by WHO. So you, the employer, is actually responsible for all the activities of the medical reps. The company, the pharmaceutical company, is responsible for all the activities of their medical reps. You, the pharmaceutical company, must provide complete and unbiased information to the medical representatives, and they must provide this true, complete, and unbiased information to the physicians or the doctors or the patients. So he must present his product or the product of the pharmaceutical company on the basis of approved scientific data. So employer is actually responsible for all the statements and the activities of the medical reps. So you must tell your medical rep that you have to follow the ethical guidelines. You can't offer monetary gifts to the physicians or the doctors. You can't give benefit to the doctor on the compromise of the health of the patients. So all these are the guidelines which are given to us by DRAP.